Here we'll explore 2 facts about the cricket. Crickets have long, powerful back legs that help them jump high in the air. These legs are thicker and longer than the rest of its legs. Crickets have small spines on the front legs to help them dig a burrow. They have things on the back of their legs called tympanum. When stretched and rubbed, it makes a chirping sound. Crickets also have an exoskeleton, meaning that the skeleton is on the outside of the body. The cricket's antenna is attached to their brain, used for sensory, like feeling what is around their environment and smelling things. Imagine you have strings attached to your face, and you are shopping at Walmart, and you touch a shirt all over it, with the strings, to see what it's like, and to smell to see if some sweaty guy from downtown has tried it on. That is how the cricket do. Crickets are commonly 2 centimeters in size, and their colors vary from brown to black. Crickets have 4 wings, but only the back ones are used for flight. Crickets have a general oval shape with a rounded square-shaped head. The cricket's blood flows freely through its whole body as it has no veins or arteries. Their digestive system consists of a long tube that goes right from their mouth to their anus. Through this, they digest, get nutrients, and dispose of what is not needed. The cricket's nervous system runs through one line of its body. It goes right through the brain and down its back in a line. The nervous system also controls all the other systems in the body. Female crickets have 2 ovaries with chambers where the eggs are produced. Males have a larger cercis than males do. Males use their chirping sounds to attract female crickets. Think about a 13-year-old boy shaking his butt around with bells attached to his belt to get the girls he likes to notice him. That is how their mating ritual begins. Now stop thinking about it, that's just weird. The crickets use its spiracles along the backside of its body to breathe, attached to a network of tubes called the tracheae. Crickets live all around the world, from grasslands, deserts, and marshes. They just live everywhere. Freaking freeloaders. Crickets like to eat plants, decaying matter, and pretty much whatever is available to them, even other crickets. Everything is edible. Even I'm edible. But that is called cannibalism, my dear children, and lucky for you, it's acceptable in our society. Many reptiles and amphibians eat crickets. One example is the toad. Crickets lay eggs by digging in light soil or sand and dropping the eggs inside them, and then covering the eggs again. Their adaptations are that they have wings to fly away from predators, and some can even freeze over winter, and when the ice melts, it will still be alive. Imagine you're outside naked in the middle of winter, and then your entire body freezes completely. And before you know it, everything melts and you are still alive. And naked. That is how the cricket do. Now please do everybody a favor and put clothes on. That was a terrible example. The cricket moves like any other insect, with its legs, really, really fast. When it interacts with other crickets, it shakes its antennas like schoolchildren having a sissy fight. Crickets don't really care for their offspring. They just tell them before they hatch, "Guys, there's danger out there. See you losers," and then they leave. Crickets would make a terrible parent.